Hello friends. We present you this animated PowerPoint presentation that looks like a website. It has a clickable menu at the top and a color picker at the bottom, and some clickable navigation buttons with animations. The PowerPoint version that I'm using is PowerPoint 2019. And now the question is, how do we actually turn this presentation into a website? Believe me, it's very simple. It can be done with and without using Morph Transition. That means you can use any version of PowerPoint to create this. This can be done in 3 simple steps. Step 1, create your first slide. Insert a rectangle with rounded corners. Make sure that the shape is aligned at the center and middle. Also, I am going to remove the outline. I have chosen some colors already. Right-click the mouse on the rectangle. Let's color the rectangle as well as the slide background. Adding a shadow will give a depth to our slide. Select the rectangle, go to Shape Format, and from Shape Effects choose Outer Shadow. Now let's create our logo. Insert a text box and choose your favorite font. I am using Futura Bold. I will add the link in the description. You can download it if you like. Let's also increase the font size. I'm adding each letter separately. Let's copy this letter and create 3 copies. Select all the text and align them correctly. Let's also group the text. Ready to insert the Air Jordans? Now let's see how we can create our clickable menu. For that, insert a text box and give it a title. Format it properly with your favorite fonts and color. Place it at the top and create 5 copies of it. Place them correctly and use the option Distribute horizontally. Our menu is ready, but we will make it clickable in a minute. Before that, let's add shine to our slide to make it more aesthetic. Right-click on the rectangle and select Format Shape. Then choose Gradient option. Let me also add some shadow to our logo. Click on the text and from Format Shape menu, choose a shadow effect. The slide will be incomplete without the famous logo, so adding it quickly. We can add some text to our slide. You need to be able to objectively consider how much text is too much in your presentation. Too much text will distract your audience. To capture your audience's attention like you're using the Force, edit your presentation down to the essentials. If nothing else, what do you want your audience to learn? The answer to that question should guide the content throughout your presentation. It's time to showcase our color palette. It's very simple. Add 5 small circles at the bottom of our slide and change its color as per the color of our 5 slides. Navigation buttons is the last function we are adding to this slide. For that, let's quickly insert an arrow using the icons menu. The first slide is complete, and now it's very easy to duplicate and create 4 more slides. To give the animated effect, let's drag our image out of the slide and insert the blue shoe image. If you are using old versions of PowerPoint, then you can use Fly in animation. For Office 2019 and Office 365 users, we can use Morph Transition, which we will see in a few minutes' time. Let's add wipe animation to the text boxes we have. Here comes the most satisfying part of designing this slide, which is recoloring. Select the animation pane and select Start with previous option for all your animation effects. Now let's duplicate the slide and repeat the actions. Delete the red shoe and drag the blue shoe out of the slide. Let's insert the new shoe. I love to recolor the slides. Does this feel satisfying to you too? Leave a comment and let me know. Three slides are done. Time to duplicate the slide and create a stunning green slide. Delete the blue shoe and drag the other one outside of slide. Then insert our stunning green shoe to the slide. Now the final slide. Let's paint it violet. Duplicate the slide and once again delete the old shoe and drag the green shoe out of the slide. After that, insert our last Air Jordan to the slide. We created the color palette, and now it's time to make it actionable. Click on the red color circle, and from the Insert menu, click on Action. Under Mouse click Menu, select Hyperlink and choose First Slide. Repeat this for all the other colors and choose respective slide numbers. Now select this color palette and replace it in all the slides. Same action we need to add to our menu bar. Select each text, and from the Insert menu, choose Action and Hyperlink to respective slides. Select the entire menu bar and copy it. Replace it on the other slides. Exact same actions can be added to our navigation buttons. Select the left button and insert Previous Slide option from the Hyperlink section, and Next Slide option for the right navigation button. For the Office 365 and 2019 PowerPoint versions, we can add the Morph Transition. But before adding the Morph Transition, add a copy of respective shoe images in each slide for a smooth transition. Remove all fly-in animations from all the shoe images. Now simply select all the slide and apply Morph Transition from the Transitions menu. Repeat this for all the slides. Each of your slides should have 3 shoes if you are applying Morph Transition. Time to hit F5 and let's check it out. Alright, so it looks like the menu buttons are working. The morph animation is working. That's super awesome. And these tutorial slides are absolutely free, my friends. So if you want to download this presentation for absolutely free, leave a comment for me and hit the subscribe button. I will add the download link.
And for those of you watching on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button, bell icon, all notifications, and smash the like button so you can let YouTube know that you are enjoying what you're watching.